Hi, I'm Corinne with Thompson RV in Pendleton, Oregon. Today I'm here to show you the brand new Blackstone 260KVS that just came out. So the Mountain Series comes offline sooner than the Titanium. So this particular model is a Mountain Series. As soon as we get into Titanium, I'll do a video on that one as well. So basically, if you take the Timber Ridge 26KVS and you add 2 more slide outs, that's what you're getting in this trailer. So the gorgeous rear windows, all of the extra counter space, the garbage can chute. You've got the stove with this one doesn't have the electronic ignition, that would be in the Titanium series, but you still get the glass top. You also get the knife rack behind. The farm basin style sink with the wire rack, and then also the sink covers that are the same, made out of the same material as the solid surface countertops, and the new high arc faucet in the Mountain series. 8 cubic foot Norcold refrigerator with the cold weather kit. The Mountain Dinette. This particular model, we ordered it with the living room fireplace and rock surround. You have the option of ordering it with a fireplace or with the option of 2 doors and some storage here. Overhead cabinets. This is where your pantry is going to be in this model. So because you don't have the overhead cabinets in the kitchen, they're going to give you this big pantry right here for all your extra storage for your kitchen. And then this model, because of the opposing slides, typically they're going to give you theater seating right here. If you need the extra bed, you can get the sleeper sofa, the trifold. You could even also get 2 chairs. I'm not sure if that's an option from the factory, but any which way, at Thompson RV, we can option any of the 3 seating that you want here. So this has a bathroom like the 26KVS that you walk through. So on this model where you do walk through the restroom, what you end up with is a very large bathroom, which is really nice. It gives you extra space if you need to change clothes when you get out of the shower or something like that. So it's been very, very popular. You can't see it, but over here on the wall, there's a towel hook and a 110 plug-in. A lot of counter space, the new stainless steel sink, the vanity cabinet, a window, which is really nice, porcelain toilet, towel hooks behind the porcelain toilet, and then also what I do with this space, it's really deep. I roll my towels and stick them in there for extra, to have extra towels. And then in this shower, this is the largest footprint of a shower that you're going to get in any outdoors RV. So that's been also very, very popular. We order all of our units with the Max Air Deluxe vent fans. In the 260KVS or the 26KVS, it's going to be an exhaust fan only in the rear of the trailer for the kitchen. This one is also a 4-speed exhaust only, and then over the bed is where you're going to get the fancier remote controlled 10-speed automatically, thermostatically controlled, all that kind of stuff. So here in the bedroom, the 26KVS has a window right here. But because this one has the slide out, you're also going to gain a skylight because they're giving you that extra light that you're losing from the window. But having this 3rd slide out with the wardrobe closet is awesome, especially if you're going to be taking extended trips and you need to pack more clothing. So you get the side wardrobes as well, and then the overhead cabinetry. This particular model is not equipped with the solar panel, but if it was, the charge controller would go right there where that sticker is. When I show you the Titanium, you'll see there's a lot of differences in the bedroom. So you get the bedroom TV, you get the front windshield, under cabinet lighting, reading lights, all that kind of stuff. So I'm a little bit partial to the Titanium. If you're not familiar what upgrades you get with the Titanium, we do have a video on our YouTube page that shows you the Mountain series and then all the upgrades going to a Titanium series. The TV, because this one doesn't come with a bedroom TV like the Titanium, they do give you blocking right here and all of your controls so that you can mount a TV here. So now let's take a look at this trailer with the slide outs in to see what we have access to. And then also we'll go take a walk around the exterior and I'll show you where all the valves and everything like that are on the outside. Okay, so here we are on the inside with the slide outs in. I've come through the back door. I have access to my refrigerator. I have access to my kitchen. Really, I can get anywhere in the trailer from the rear door. You can easily get to the bathroom from the front door, but you can squeak by here. We just recommend that you stay on this edge of the carpet. If you were in here with me right now, you would see that the plywood comes up just a little bit. You don't want to step on that plywood or it does eventually break it down. So just stay right here in the middle and you can squeak by if you need to. Another thing, when we put the slide outs in, we noticed that we actually didn't have lights on the entire video. And rather than reshoot it, we decided to leave it because it was light and bright with all these natural windows and all the natural light from the windows. It didn't even need the lights on. We didn't even notice. So just pointing that out, because a lot of people, that's one thing that they're looking for in a trailer is they don't want one that's dark and gloomy. They want one that's light and bright. Another note is this one is in the Cedar Lodge, the darker color. You can also get it in the Western Saddle, which is the little bit lighter color. Same goes for the titanium. You have two options, a light and a dark. The only thing that really changes is going to be this sofa. In the Mountain Series, the valances as well, but in the titanium, it's just the sofa that dictates which color you have. So now let's hop outside and we'll do a walk around on the exterior. All right, so here on the outside, it's a double entry model, so rear entry and a bedroom door. Exterior grab bar, aluminum steps. Everything in the Outdoors RV series comes standard with the Off-Road X4 suspension package. This is where you're going to fill your fresh water tank, 110 outlets, access to your furnace, exterior speakers, and then an electric awning that is also wrapped with an AlumaGuard. Here's your bedroom door with also another triple step. One thing they don't come with is another grab bar at this door. That's something that we commonly add to ours when people order them from us. And then here is your exterior compartment, rubberized diamond plate, fully insulated. You have a battery kill switch in here, as well as a light switch. They're pre-wired for up to 510 watts of roof mount solar. And then also you've got the solar on the side that you can do up to 200 watts of like a portable solar panel. I get the question a lot. So the roof mount solar, you're going to have a charge controller in the bedroom. The portable solar does come with its own charge controller, so it doesn't need to run through that system. So if this is the only system you want to run, you can do that because it comes with a built-in charge controller right on the solar panel. Full fiberglass front cap. We can option in a 4 battery rack. So again, if you're going with quite a few solar panels and you want to go with more batteries, we can option that in, or they come standard to hold 2 batteries. 2 7.5 gallon propane tanks. The caddy that holds your safety chains, your 7-way plug, and your breakaway cable so that they're not just laying on the ground. And then a front power jack. Over here you have another access to your pass-through front storage compartment. Bedroom slide out. This is a light in case you need to empty your tanks in the dark. You've got your gray and your black valve handles right here behind these doors. The black tank flush. Satellite and cable hookups. The hookup for your 30 amp power cord. And then under here you have the big handle that's going to drain your freshwater tank. One thing I would like to point out that we do on most of our mountains once they get here, the Titanium series comes standard with the slide toppers. The Mountain series does not. That is something that most of our customers opt in, so we add them once the trailer arrives at our lot. This is the rear vent and access for the refrigerator. This particular model, the Mountain series, comes standard with crank stabilizer jacks. Here at Thompson RV, most of ours we option in the dual motor power stabilizer jack, so you push a button and they come in so you don't have to crank them down. 4-inch bumper. This does have these nice little caps so you can store your sewer hose in there. This is your water heater access. Outside shower. This is your city water connection. So if you're at a park and you're not going to be running off of your water tank and water pumped, this is where you would hook up your hose and connect to city water. Spare tire. 2-inch rear receiver hitch with a 250-pound capacity on it. This is the door you open up to access your garbage can chute from inside, and then your big tube ladder. Thank you so much for watching our video today on the Blackstone 260KVS. As soon as it comes out in a titanium, we will post a video. So be sure and subscribe to get all the updates every time we post a new video with a new floor plan. Sounds like big tube bladder.